Y'all, I have been back in the United States for over a month now. Not too much angst about being back, although I do miss being out in those international streets. But I'm back here for a purpose, a reason. I am studying for my drone pilot license. It has been my intention for at least the last couple years to get my drone pilot license, and that be the way that I make money and support my travel. So I am knee deep in studying for the FAA Part 107 drone certification. It is extremely difficult. It is quite challenging. I am not pulling my hair out, but close to it. It is difficult, but it is a wonderful course that I'm taking. I am going through UAV coach program. It is very thorough. It is a combination of video and tech quizzes at the end of each module, at the end of each section, and then at the end of each module there is a bigger test. Once you get through a certain part of the course, then you are able to sign up for a once a week webinar training. Well, it's a webinar Q&A, and I joined my first webinar last week, and once again I was extremely pleased at how it all went. We actually used something that I was not familiar with before, and it was an app called Kahoot. And so what the instructor did was he put a QR code on the screen, scanned it with my phone, it came up, then he administered a quiz. He would read the question out loud, and from your phone you would choose your answer, and everybody's answers, or the results of everybody's answers, would come up on the screen, and it would tell you like what place you were in. Last week I was tied in last place with somebody. But a lot of the questions are from different modules in the course, and some people are further along than others. You have to get through module 4 in order to join the webinar, and I've gotten through module 5. I keep repeating 4 and 5 because this particular information is, I guess, comprehensive. Ooh, child, it really is a lot, but it's fun. And I know that in the end, it's going to be good for me because drones, flying drones, is something that I am currently passionate about. I have been passionate about a lot of things in the past, but right now I'm passionate about drones. And so I'm super excited about getting this certification and being able to make money in the United States, which is going to be my way to continue traveling planet Earth. So anyway, that is just a quick update on what I've been doing. And I really wanted to take a break because I've been studying for like the last couple hours this morning, and my brain is like smoking. All right, y'all. Peace out.